strongly demand, sir, from the government to cancel the entire examination process and immediately constitute an inquiry. And here is the proof, sir. We managed somehow to get this valid proof, where there are some roll number 14370, roll number 14406, and roll number 14447. And you'll find that in this OMR, this roll number 14370, the answer is only 4 out of 50. And another candidate, roll number 14406, his answer is only 6 in this OMR sheet, sir. And roll number 1447, his answer is only 3 out of 50. And these 3 candidates managed to appear for the examination, the personal interview. We were told that these are the candidates, the supporters of some of the politicians. So therefore, sir, we feel that this is a fit case for the government to cancel this entire examination and constitute an inquiry and immediately investigate into the matter and fix the responsibility accordingly. Sir, the demand number 4, stop job extension to retired employees, give youth their rightful opportunity. This issue is not about disrespecting experienced officer. It is about ensuring generational fairness of public employment. When retired employees are repeatedly given extensions or re-engaged in positions that could otherwise be open to eligible candidates, thousands of qualified young people may feel that the doors of government employment are permanently closed to them. The government should therefore establish clear and transparent criteria for any extension or re-employment after recruitment. After retirement, I mean to say so. Such arrangements should be based on genuine necessity, specialized expertise, and public interest, rather than convenience or personal preference. So at a time when educated youths are waiting for employment opportunities, government must demonstrate that public service is not an exclusive preserve for a small circle. Retirement should not mean the end of contribution, neither should it mean the beginning of permanent occupation of opportunities meant for the next generation.